Help Center Tutorials. Clocking cards or how to generate employees' ID cards. With the clocking feature integrated into your Precision Systems POS management solution, you can automate the calculation of your employees' work hours and record their tardiness and absences. To do this, your employees will need clocking or ID cards. Your employees' clocking cards are automatically generated by Precision Systems when their profiles are created in your user database. Here's how to access them. Log into your MyPrecision Administrator interface. Scroll down to the sidebar menu on the left side of your screen, then go to Parameters. Go to Users. Choose one of your collaborators and open its file. Click on the blue icon on the right side of your collaborator's name to show their card. You will then have access to your employee's clocking card, which will contain his name, his ID, and the QR code he will have to scan to perform clocking. You will then be able to view it and download it before printing it by pressing the button Preview and Download.